Time for a live stream. Can you hear me? Just testing out the audio real quick because we've got some very interesting Shiba Inu news to talk about. Let me just check if everything is all good. Just recharge the camera battery because we're getting a pump not only in Shiba Inu, in everything since the US pretty much woke up, since the United States residents woke up. And we've got some JP Morgan news, JP Morgan coin. I might talk about it in another video, but let's get some volume of viewers first. Hey guys, hey Winchester, hey Cuban, Saucero, how's it going, guys? Like the video so more people can see the stream. It really helps out, pumps it up. I can hear you well. Wow, that's great. Oh, that was quick. 23 viewers in the chat already. Let's talk about it. Theta. Okay, we'll talk about Theta. Aristos. We'll talk about any cryptocurrencies that you guys like, but first let's start with Shiba Inu because I bought some Shiba Inu as I promised. Yesterday I said my YouTube paycheck is coming, and it did, and I bought a lot of Shiba. We had a live stream for an hour yesterday. Hello, hey Arcook, hey Barry from Ireland, how's it going, mate? Hey Titus, hey Arcook, hey Winchester. Yes, I remember this guy helping me get banned on IG. Oh, yeah, glad I did. Shib forever. It is. Yeah, I've had a lot of Instagram videos last year. Some hit 400k views. Can't wait till we get to 4 zeros. Yep, I think we will more sooner than we think. Let's talk about some news. Let's talk about Shiba Inu and my prediction for the day. Before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice. I'm a very random dude. We're waiting for the Coinbase announcement tonight. I think we'll get it tonight, actually. I'm refreshing Twitter, but last time we got a notification from Coinbase. It was from Coinbase Pro. It was actually at lunchtime, New York time. I think it was on a Tuesday. It was the 15th of June. 15th of June was on Tuesday. Now it's a Wednesday here, and we're waiting for this. Plus, we're waiting for shibaswap. So here's my prediction for Shiba Inu for the day. Let's start with that, and then we'll go over any token that you want. Just let me know what you want us to hear and what you want me to talk about in the chat. I'll try to talk about everything. We'll stream for at least an hour. I hope we can get to an hour. So basically, the main things you should know about Shiba: where do big money come in? Big money normally buy at dips, and there's a major support area around the 600 mark. Here, and we just saw it here yesterday live on the stream. I didn't manage to buy in on the dip here, but I managed to buy in here at 660 here on the rebound, and it's going up. It's been going up. So what we're waiting for right now is Coinbase listing news, and supposedly eToro and shibaswap. This is what most of you guys voted for, that you're waiting for. When I made a poll a few days ago, and I was like, what are you guys waiting for? And 72 people out of 201 votes said you guys are waiting for the shibaswap. So yep, can wait. Bank partnership with Shiba soon. Oh, that's, yeah, bank partnership. That's actually good. And we also have motorcycle partnerships. Let's look at BTT. Let's do that. BTT USDT. Let's start with BTT USDT, and we'll check some other coins out. But regarding Shiba, I'm waiting for a 2x before I start taking in any profits. I'll also have a video out in 1 or 2 hours from now on why it will surpass everything, including Doge. Not price-wise, obviously, but market cap-wise. So BTT has definitely had a massive dip. Let's start with this. First support area is basically this at 0.002 cents. Why? Well, breakout pattern, right? I always like to trade breakout patterns and treat the resistance there as a major support area. So when we were trading it in February, it had a double top here, and as soon as it broke here, normally the rule of thumb is it grows at at least with the level of accumulation, with the depth of the level of accumulation. So for this, for BTT, it meant that it should have gotten at least here. And this you can see exactly, people started taking profits in here, but they just skyrocketed after during the Asia session. So then we had what did we have? Another breakout here that I want to respect. What else do we have? No major levels. Maybe we can move this a little bit up. Major support here, as you can see, this resistance, support. We've been hovering around this rate for a while. Nothing to see here. So yeah, this is definitely a good support level. Maybe if I'm to trade BTT right now, it's not the greatest time to buy it in terms of RSI, but if I am to trade it on the 1 hour chart, I'll place a trade that would look something like this. Long position here. Maybe I'll wait for a small dip though to buy for at least a few cents. But what I'll do is I'll have a stop loss right below this level. So put a limit order here, and I'll probably target at least these levels because this is where it dipped to. So this support level might be resistance. This is a 1-to-1 ratio, not that good to be honest of a trade, but this is how I would trade BTT right here. I love ship Shiba Inu. We'll check it out. I would love you to talk about Shiba Inu. Okay, we'll do that. What's your idea about XRP? I actually uploaded a video on XRP like just now, like an hour ago. It has some positive kind of SEC news. Ripple is we're waiting for a lot of stuff. I can see it 2xing from now because but my battery is low somehow on the mouse, on the Bluetooth mouse. But if we just check XRP real quick, major support level at the 45 cents. It was really bad that we broke the 80 cents. Yesterday, when someone asked me what I think about XRP, I said 52 is a good entry point with a stop loss at around 43, and you could get like a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio. I think it's a little bit too late to buy it right now. I would wait for a dip to buy it again. But if you're just holding long term, you're definitely buying it at a discount because on the daily chart, the RSI is 26, right? So it doesn't matter that much. What's your idea around? Thanks, we'll check it out. Okay, Raj. What else did you want to see, guys? Shiba Inu, right? And Theta. Let's check Kishu. I don't think we have it. We have it. Oh, we have it. Okay, good on OKX. So Shiba Inu is pretty interesting. Why isn't RSI loading? Let's refresh the page real quick. Hello to everyone that just joined. Like the video so more people can see it. It really helps out with the algorithm. Please, what is the future of Mars Crater? Okay, we'll check that out. Let's talk about Kishu right now. Shiba Inu versus Tether. On the 30-minute chart. Hasn't been around for a very long time to make any assumptions on the trading view chart, I guess, but I think we can definitely respect this rate as some support area. We're definitely buying at a dip right now. I don't know what the volume is because I really don't like the RSI candles here. I don't know if this is the right. I don't know what the volume is on OKX. It seems it's okay, but who knows with this amount of zeros. I don't know about Shiba Inu. Look, it's definitely you're buying it at a discount, but Shiba Inu, I don't know if memes tokens in general are doing a very good job during BTC dominance of 49. Normally, you want to buy them when you want to buy meme tokens when you have a decline in dominance. So currently, we have a very high BTC dominance because people are really fearful because of the last dip that we've had. And I do believe that right now on BTC, if you actually go on the daily chart, we're definitely trading in a range. As you can see here, with the support around the 30K area. We pretty much drew that a month ago and it keeps doing exactly what it should. So you can swing trade it very, very profitably. What else do we have, guys? What is the future of Mars Crater? I don't know. I never checked it out. I can check it out right now. Mars Crater. Sounds cool. Mars Crater token. Okay. I'm on the right website. Let me know, guys. Mars Crater. Let's see. Passive income, 4% tax. Well, I mean, all of these tokens are giving you passive income, no staking. So, live chart. It's probably a pool coin chart, right? Or box finance. Well, let's see what we can do here. Hopefully, we have enough market depth in the market history to draw any conclusions. It's not gonna be easy. FAC is another good one. Yeah. Actually, FAC, the interesting thing is my FAC video was doing really well on how to buy it. Like, I was talking about FAC over a month ago. Look at that, FAC token a month ago, 16K views. Okay, we'll talk about FAC next. Crate, I don't know, it has very low volume. It's really hard to draw any conclusions with a 9 grand volume right now. I don't know what the future is. Titus, where did you hear about these tokens? Just on decline so far. It's not that good. FAC is okay. Let's talk about FAC a little bit. Maybe we have it on trading view. Forgot. No. Okay, let's go to pool coin. We should have it there. Hi Niki, Shiba Inu swap working out. Really? No way. Is it? Is it really working out? Ochuka, are you sure? I mean, it should be live. It's working. I mean, they have the test working, but they had some security issues from what I remember. Let's check FAC here and also on CoinMarketCap. By the way, most views pages, look at here, boys. We're going a little bit down. Now we're on the 6th spot. We got to go up by the most views pages. Make sure you always check out the CoinMarketCap Shiba Inu pages like I do right now to just pump it up. Let's check FAC here. It should be on CoinMarketCap. Yep, it is. FAC token in last 7 days. If you just go to the trading view chart real quick, I don't think I think that a lot of these tokens right now you can buy at a discount, right? But why would you buy too many meme tokens right now when you can have utility tokens or the major meme tokens that, you know, have a better hedgeability, I would say, during bear markets, for example, or bear markets or bear days. For example, Shiba Inu was up in the last 7 days, 2 days ago, as opposed to everything being down in the red. And that was after a massive correction, right? Why isn't it loading properly? Future of CNS. What's your thoughts on Paintier? I'll take it. I'll check it out. I don't have any immediate thoughts about it. FAC definitely doesn't want to work on CoinMarketCap, but it's on the rise. What? It's up. Volume is very healthy, up 41%. Market cap 252. That's $250 million, and it's not on Binance yet, right? It's not on Binance, from what I remember. It's on Gate.io. Okay, so we can actually draw some conclusions on Gate.io, and you will use the chart there. Future of BRG. I can check that out, Titus. Where did you get Mars Crater from, Titus? Please don't tell me TikTok. FAC is going up, man. It's always been going up. If you could buy it, the dip, that was you could see some massive gains here. You could see yourself in some massive gains here if you could have bought the dip right here. 678. I think the chart definitely suggests an up movement. Maybe I would place a stop loss somewhere around this area and try to target this high right here. This is just from a very short observation effect. I'm not actively looking it. It's not on my watch list right now. As I said, I bought some a month ago when I made the video, but I pretty much got out of it. Look what I think about FAC right now. if normally when you have highs like this, it can be stop losses, it can be, you know, from people being short or something like that. Normally when you have something like this, the market slowly rebounds to this area. So I would target something like this, and that's what, that's a 40%. Maybe I would do 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, 20% versus 40% risk to reward. Hi Niki, SafeMoon, good investment. It was yesterday. We actually talked about SafeMoon yesterday. It has a very good buying opportunity. We were talking about it here, I believe, and it was had a great spot to buy that. And if you did buy that, you basically made 50% on your money. So SafeMoon was a great investment. If you want to buy SafeMoon, by the way, no financial advice, but you can use the link in the description down below to support the channel for Gate.io. The easy way to do it. And I believe you can trade Gate.io in the United States. So in my opinion, it is a pretty good investment, but I'm mostly interested in buying some of this juicy Shiba. And I'll tell you why. There's no coin right now that we're as excited about as Shiba Inu. There's no coin that dropped, like the only coin that didn't drop that much was Shiba Inu, to be honest with you. I'm using it as a hedge in these markets because there's no coin that has so much information. We even broke this. If we just consolidate it here and break the 680 area, that wasn't going to be perfect. 680 is where a lot of people are just taking in positions, as you can see here, this position right here. So I'm definitely very positive for it. And if we actually get the Coinbase news, we can 2x within the day. I made 230K with cheap market crash, brought it down to 40K. I have 58 billion FEC. Wow, that's really nice. But at 40K is still good. What did you buy at, Lework? That's a lot. Where do you buy them at? From Uniswap? When you're buying amounts like this, you can definitely afford the fees. Good thing you can now buy most of these on Gate.io. They're very quick, by the way, to add altcoins. I think this is their marketing strategy. Adding altcoins very quickly. I don't know why FEC token isn't added on Binance. I think maybe there's some insider information. Who knows? Why is it going up right now? Does anyone know the news right now? I just want to show you the SHIB memes right now because I really liked some of them. So we had this one. Okay. Something's going on with my connection. Is the stream still live? Let me just check my mobile internet. Guys, I'm back. Do you hear me? There was some issue with the stream for some reason. I don't know why. Is everything okay? Okay, perfect. So let's check some memes first. I don't know. The live stream said that it's down. I don't know what happened. Probably a bug. Whatever. It doesn't matter then. We're all Gucci, guys. So look at this. They literally ruined mountains for me right now. They literally ruined mountains for me. A little crypto humor for me. Bro, look at these mountains. You look at the mountains, you see charts. Come on, you ruined mountains for me, boy. Tell me, isn't that true? It is for me. Me checking on my $10 worth of Shiba coin. Is this how you feel? By the way, this is a cheap keyboard, just like mine. Because I normally, when I have to, when I make my keyboard very dirty, I just wash it. And if it breaks, I just throw it out. It's a $20, $30 keyboard. I really like this meme, by the way. We already talked about it in the video, but it's pretty cool now, eh? Be honest, do you have this too? But what if you have over 1 billion Shiba or 10 billion Shiba? Can you do that? Do you do that? Do you guys do that? Let's do this exercise. How much Shiba do you own? Tap it in your phone. It's gonna be, hello, this is to the one person online right now. What? How many people are online right now? 5. Okay, that's good. I know the market is red, Jimmy. Trust me, buy more SHIB. Anyone who bought SHIB 14 hours ago is pretty happy now. Have a wonderful day. What is this? SHIB's watching 17 grand worth of Shiba. That's a serious amount of Shiba. I'm down from 250k to this. Is it you, Lework? What about cream buy? I don't know, my man. Titus, you're talking about too much very small cap tokens. I'm not sure that meme tokens, despite Shiba, Doge, and Kishu, will survive a bear market. Just keep in mind what happens when we have a crash. You know, just a small crash, just a small taste of a crash. Let's talk about the 22nd of December 2022, when we actually had the SEC issues with Ripple. So it was pretty much here. Do you see this massive crash? This was Ripple going down 4 or 5 times, and people forgot about Ripple for a while. The only reason Ripple continued going up was the overall Bitcoin, you know, just destroying everything. That was the reason. Then we had a breakout pattern and went up a lot. So every bear that was shorting it died because of the SEC news from here. This is bear literally. And let me just show you how Bitcoin reacted to this as well in January. Oh, BTC never had an issue with the SEC. Okay. But in general, when we have bad news, for example, on the 18th of April, minor news, and the 19th of May, when Elon Musk said there you can't really buy Teslas anymore with Bitcoin. Like what survived? Who could survive this? Right? It was already crashing for a while. And when he said that, it was the 19th of May here. It was at a support level. He just destroyed us at this point. So I wouldn't buy cream pie tokens. I wouldn't buy Kumis. I would buy Shiba Inu. I would buy Doge. I would buy maybe Kishu. I think I was sponsored by Kishu. Let me check something. Their developers were really good. When I made the video, I think it was I was sponsored. Kishu Inu. No. It was another. There's so many Doge tokens right now. It's gonna be an interesting bumpy ride in the next few days, but I do believe that we're gonna have a green day today. We're gonna have a green day. It's not gonna be that hard because we're at a major support level. We just gotta push to 40k again and have a small push for Shiba Inu, because the issue is if Bitcoin doesn't have a green day, I don't think Coinbase will announce something major like a Shiba Inu listing, and I'll tell you why. They try to, from my perspective and experience, they try to postpone major listings and events when BTC is going down, because when BTC is going down, they might not get the volume they want on the launch. And they really try to hype up launches. SHIB will perform well. Yeah, I do believe that. I do believe it will perform well. Right now, is my main, like most of my money is in Shiba Inu right now. And the reason is the Coinbase listing. We're waiting for it. I think the Coinbase listing will be today, in 3 hours from now or 4 hours from now. If we do manage to get it today and we have an overall green, day, this will be the momentum we need to break the 11, this area, and after that it's just gonna be easy to get here. But I'll take some profits here and I'll take some profits here. I don't know if we'll get to the previous levels. I'll probably stick with some Shiba there, but I'm looking into taking profits here so I can buy the dips. If I can take profits here, we get here, we go down here, and we have a very low RSI and crashing Bitcoin, I can actually buy in because I'll have some money, liquid. And then if we go here and then we have another dip, I can buy again here. Which meme tokens that may not survive the major dip ahead? I think all the I'm not sure. I would bet on the adult industry ones. because I mean, let's check the let me just show you some of them, right? Why wouldn't I be interested in, for example, CoinRocket? Why would, look at that, right? It was very hot in June, and if you bought it 30 cents, you pretty much lost 80% of your money. This is what a pump and dump looks like. This is what it looks like. It's not a bad. Where can you even buy coins right now? You have to buy it on pancakeswap. It's not even adopted by Gate.io, guys. That's a major bad flag. The volume is not very good. 1 million a day, that's not that good. The tokens that have below 1 million volume are not good. I think FAC can survive. It would be a better investment, in my opinion, than commits, for example. But I'm definitely interested. By the way, like the video. We only have 5 likes. Come on, let's hype it up. We need more likes so more people can join in. We have 46 viewers. If you can keep 60 or 70 like yesterday, I'll try to keep the stream going for as long as possible. It should be going on for the 25 minutes, which is cool. I think we can do this a weekly thing. No, a daily thing. We can do a stream every day with the major updates. I think this is okay. Let me give you a sneak peek. In your opinion, the price Shiba will reach by oh, sorry, Senior, can you say what you said again? Because yeah, 0.0 it automatically flagged it. I don't know if it will accept, go to 0.0006, by the way. But whatever it does, I mean, any upside movement is good. You shouldn't be too reliant on one token. Look, like, you're not married to tokens. If you can take some profit and then have some money to invest into new projects, that's okay. The idea is to be profitable with your portfolio and grow it, right? Softcoin, okay, I will. I heard SHIB is going to Robinhood. Look, the only information we have on SHIB going to Robinhood is here on change.org. So Shiba should be going on Robinhood. It should be going on eToro. It should even be going on PayPal. But look at that. So the petition had 150k supporters, and it kind of slowed down after. It's at 164k supporters to add Shiba Inu on Robinhood. If it actually added on Robinhood, it's gonna be massive. Why are you saying it's not going to go on Robinhood, Robert? By the way, when we had this petition passing 130k signatures, this is when Coinbase stepped up and said they'll edit. So a lot of exchanges are looking into this. So even if they don't go and you sign the petition, that's actually good news, because more other exchanges can adopt it. eToro is definitely looking into this, because you know, what was the Coinbase? There was a Coinbase one. There are actually 8 one. So SHIB to Coinbase, 9,000 supporters created on May, and 1 month later, on the 15th of June, we actually had an announcement that they'll edit. So that's definitely good news. I have bought 90k SOF worth 12 grand. Please tell me about project and its price prediction. Okay, let's check SOF. First, let's check in on CoinMarketCap and see how it's going. SOF 1.4 mil, 4 cents. It's available on a lot of exchanges. Let's just check it against BTC. Volume is up 1.4 mil. That's good. It's really good when the volume is up on a day after the dip. It means that a lot of people are waiting for the dip. I saw that on SHIB and other cryptocurrencies, and it's very healthy, by the way. Market cap 18 mil. That's good. Let's check it on KuCoin. It's, what can I say? What can I say? Support is here. There's probably a major resistance here. I don't think it's a bad place to buy that, to be honest, because it rebounded. If we break this area here, maybe I would buy it and have a stop loss here. So you're risking 30 to 40%, but I would expect a 3x increase to this level. You bought a lot though. What do you mean you bought 90 grand for of SOF? Is this, yeah. I own 1 trillion Shiba Inu. Ooh. That's interesting. That's what? That's like what? A few hundred grand? Should may reach 0.001 at the most. Shiba may reach. Okay, yeah, it may reach, but imagine it reaching 0.001. What is that? That's let's open up a calculator. Right? 0.000. How many zeros did you say? 1. So if we divide that by the current price, which is 5 zeros, right? 0.0000069, right? That's actually a 14x from now. So if you just have 10 grand or 1 grand in Shiba Inu, you have 14 grand. If you have 10 grand, it's 14 grand, 144 grand. So that's, I think it's pretty good, right? That math doesn't lie. The math doesn't lie. Yeah, market cap doesn't lie. I've heard that SOF will touch $20. Where did you hear that? Come on, people, like the video. Thank you, Leo. We actually got from 5 likes to 16 likes. You guys are hearing me. And you know what? We actually got instantly 10, 20 more viewers. It helps the Shiba Inu project. Let's like the video. Everyone that's here, like the video right now. It's self-care, healthcare project. I have bought 90k coins. Australian. Oh, that's 12 grand Australian dollars. The disc coin went to 78 cents in the last month. Oh, that's good. Yeah, it did. Well, actually, then it's actually a good price to buy it right now. Look at that. It was why did it go down so much though? It went down 10 times. Harry, can you tell me why it went down so much? Hey, Robert. Hey, Mark. Thanks for liking. 20 likes and we've fed 73 people. Man, boy, oh boy, this is the most amount of people we've had on the stream. I'll keep the stream active as long as I can. Maybe I'll actually have some chicken wings ordered from, so we can eat dinner together. Can probably, let me just sip some water. Boys, I think we should do this live stream on a daily basis. Don't you think so? That's good. Oh, loading, yeah. Heck, if it's go back 78 cents again, I'll make 60 grand profit. So you've got like 6 grand right now? Yeah. It's gonna be interesting if it does go back. But why did it go down, Harry? Can you let me know? Because I don't know. 24 likes, that's great. Okay, let's... How is Bitcoin doing right now? We really gotta get Bitcoin up, guys. We really gotta get Bitcoin up. Let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick. It's having a very healthy volume. This amount, look, this is a healthy rebound. This is what it did last time. It's the same rebound. Look at this. I just want to show you this. Check this area right here. And check this area right here. Anything familiar? And look what it should do here. If this is true, then we'll get this movement. If this movement mimics this movement, we'll get this. You see? This is what I think will happen. Let me just draw another line with another color. Can I do... Okay, I'll just use the trend line, whatever. Yeah, this is what I think we'll do here. Come on, what is this? Oh, here is the brush. Okay, brush. And I think we'll do something like this here. This is what we'll do. And then the question is, will we break this area? Because this accumulation zone right here is the same as the previous one. By the way, I like the channel a lot. Very informative. Thank you, Robert. Thank you. Thank you so much. By the way, guys, I was really scared switching from how to channel and personal branding channel to crypto channel, but this is what I love. I invest in crypto. I'm really passionate about crypto, and I really wanted to do a lot of news types videos for you guys. And I was like, can I actually do like 10 of these videos every single day or something like that, news related? Can I do more videos than anyone else and entertain you guys? And the fact that you like it means so much. You have no idea. It means so much. Thank you. BTC 40K. Yep. Shiba Army, hold the line to the moon. Yep, we're holding. We're holding. Just to show you why I'm holding as well with you guys. I'm investing my money from my from my AdSense into Shiba Inu for the Shiba Army. Let me just show you my last page. Like, I'll just refresh the page just so you see. My last payment, as you can see, last payment 10 grand. Right? Can I click payments? That's probably too much information, but May, 10,000 euros, which is like 12,000 US dollars. I've checked it in, like a lot of it into Shiba, and we'll be buying the dips because I'm part of the Shiba Army. I'm a proud part of the Shiba Army. Let's watch some memes. 77 viewers, 78 viewers. Come on, guys. Appreciate your content. Thanks you, Carlos. Thank you, Carlos. Shiba Army hold. Shiba need to have a Bitcoin burn. Yep. They do, but I think we'll just have shibaswap now and Coinbase listing, which is enough. Staking on shibaswap will not be enough. Why do you think so, Robert? Have 54 billion in Shiba. Should I hold on to it? I would, James. No financial advice, but I would definitely hold my Shiba. I don't have 54 bill though. There's definitely a considerable amount. It all depends on when did you buy it. If you manage to buy it at a dip, you probably made 20-30% from now, and you're all good to sell some if you don't feel comfortable holding all of it. But if you bought it and you're still at a loss, I would hold in onto it. It's supposed to get rejected at resistance. I don't think we will, because I think the major resistance here is 68.70. But it all depends on Bitcoin and the news, because we're just waiting for Coinbase Pro. Like, I'm refreshing this, and I'll probably go live if we have some news here. But everyone's just waiting for Coinbase Pro to just say, we're listing you. Look, 20 hours ago, .USD, .BTC, right? And you might be thinking, well, the dot community will say something good, right? And you then go on the tweet and look at that. I'm saying, we don't care. Give us SHIB. Can we get an update on SHIB? SHIB. No one cares about dot. There's no other community like SHIB. Look at that. This person literally drew a Shiba Inu. It probably took him a day. Shiba Inu memes, Shiba Inu memes, Shiba Inu memes, Shiba Army, SHIB. Guys said just spam Twitter. That's spam the Coinbase Twitter. We want Shiba Inu. We don't want dot. We don't want dot. Give us SHIB. This is the only thing we care about. What are you guys doing? One sec, my account in a sec. Ask me something. Just had to reply to the accountant real quick. Crypto is fun, and I like the merry-go-round. Yeah, it's fun. If you just gotta learn to hold and buy the dip, and you'll be okay in a bull market like now. I was just watching one of your videos first time where you said we never had 37 people in the chat. I had to jiggle a little bit. Woo! We have 73 now. It's 73. It's insane. Let me see what the peak was. The peak was concurrent viewers. The peak was 76. So we're right at the peak. Like the video, guys, we're at 29 likes. If you can pass more likes, maybe 50, I think we can double the viewer count. 77, we just broke the record, guys. We just broke the record. We just broke the record. How cool is that? I think we'll get some. We need to celebrate. I don't have anything cool. So just get this. 81 viewers for the best army in the world. What? 81 viewers. Guys, are you seeing this? 30 likes. Wow, we gotta celebrate. I don't have a beer, but I have some cider. It will do 84. No way, we're at 84. 85. Wow, guys, we're crushing it. We're gonna, if we get like to 100 or 200 viewers, we're probably gonna rank really high when you type in Shiba. Let's just open up an incognito tab. If we just type shib, what is gonna happen? Can you let me know, guys? No, we're not on top yet. But if I go to live, Shiba Inu Coin, and if I go to live streams, maybe we're one of the top, but who knows? Yeah, we're the second one after Josh's Finance has 390. So yeah, we're just waiting for the Coinbase announcement. What did you mean, by the way, Robert? It takes a few days for the China FUD to fade away. So stay strong, fellow Shiba Army. You're exactly wrong. Listen to Robert. This is so true. Like every time we had this fear, uncertainty, doubt by China, it took a few days, but the future was always good after that. For example, let's go just to see Bitcoin on the 18th of April when we had the miners and all the FUD, right? Let's just imagine for a second. This is the 18th of April, right? You just woke up, like me. I just woke up to a flash crash. I couldn't. Do you remember this? We were on Binance. Binance wasn't working. You would refresh it, and you didn't show your balance. And I remember, actually, the cool thing was I had positions with 1.1 or 1.2 leverage, which is literally no leverage. You just use it to round up positions. And I got liquidated on those. I got liquidated. And it was because of a flash crash on some altcoins on Binance. And if you're seeing this here, you might be thinking, well, what's going to happen? And it's exactly what Robert said. It took a few days. So we had the 18th, which was a Sunday, right? Not in a volume. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then we had some green days by the end of the week. So it might take a week to recover. It's just that after that we had out season because BTC dominance started crashing, right? In April. Come on. Let me reset the chart. If we actually go to April, right here, you can see the BTC dominance was just going down at this point. So after that, it was an out season for all of us. So it was really good. Oh, 90 viewers. No way, we're gonna hit 100. Let's put the air condition because is it just me or is it getting hot in here? Let's put the air conditioner on. 34 likes. Come on, guys, like the video. We just have 34 likes. We need 50. This will help out. Should also close the window. By the way, which of you guys owns a dog? Can you guess what the breed of my dog is? And don't try to guess my recovery passwords based on it. Shiba Army 85 mil and buying more. Nice. Nice. Good job, Shiba. Good job, Felix. This chat is our new crypto chat. New record high. Woohoo! Yep, it is. Sheep and Kishu to the moon. To the moon, baby. Shiva Gang. 85 viewers. That's pretty cool. 35 likes. Come on, guys. Let's get to 40 likes. We just need 5 likes. So, yeah. Very cool to help break the record. Yeah, it is. We had a 70 record. Now it's at 90 at the peak. So even at 90, I'm pretty happy for this stream. And I'll do it. I'll make it the live. Like maybe we can do it more often than not. Maybe a few times a day. I don't always buy crypto, but when I do, I buy Shiba. Same here, Robbie. Same here. Especially today. I remember the chat yesterday. Everyone was like, everything is crashing. What should we do, right? It's really bad. And then someone said, well, Shiba's still crashing the least. Yup. We were at this point then. Let's go to the 5-minute chart so you understand what I'm talking about. So it was yesterday, right? It was pretty crazy. And someone was saying... no, it wasn't here. It was the second dip. Was it here? Come on. Oh, yeah, it's here. So it was something like this. At this point, while we were doing the stream, we were crashing hard. And someone was like, well, we didn't crash that much. And yup, we didn't crash that much compared to everything else. And we pretty much rebounded to before the crash. This is why you should be very careful not to margin trade SHIB, in my opinion, right? By the way, if you want to buy SHIB and support the channel, use my link in the description down below to sign up for Binance. And I've partnered up with Bybit to bring each one of you a special promotion. At least the 30 people that sign up and deposit using my link, a special bonus. I have a connection there. She's called May, and I said, give me something special for more subscribers, and she did. So check it out. I don't always Shiba to the moon, Shiba army 300 million, buying more to the moon. I have Shiba in my exchange. I got a small Dutch one, but I think it's 58 different coins in total. Wow. Okay, let's check some Shiba Inu memes. I hope we get some new ones because I've watched all of them a few times. Like if you agree, 39x, one more like to 40. When you're at the party and nobody talks about crypto, what are you going to do? Just dip. Just dip. Just dip the party. To be honest, just dip the party. If no one's talking about crypto, you don't belong here. Don't belong there. SHIB lead marketer step what? Shibaswap. How do? The Shiba Inu. Over 1 billion in Shiba. Good guy. Just bought the dip again. This was 16 hours ago. 1 billion SHIB now. Who else is holding with me? I am, bro. I am. Upping this vote. By the way, don't mind my random Reddit account. I just bought it from a random website like a long time ago. I couldn't be bothered to just log out. 40 likes. Nice. I don't have Shiba. Yeah, cool. You will not be millionaire and the Shiba will not jump over a cent. No cryptocurrency await the access match. First, don't FUD us. And second, I have no idea what you're saying. And no one needs to Shiba to go to 1 cent for us to be to have a healthy run up. We just need it to go to 0.0043 and we'll 5x. So don't worry about us. A man don't kill the dream. It's true. Matt, don't worry. You don't need a cent to have a good time with Shiba Inu. You need way less to have a good time with Shiba Inu. Right now. Buy SHIB and LTC directly with iOS using credit card. Binance, what? You could always buy it. I just bought it with my card. I just deposited money and bought some SHIB. Are you a software engineer? Someone's buying Leash. Do you guys own Leash? I never bought Leash. I don't know why. So close to 100 mil. 1 hour ago. Supporting this guy. He's close to 100 mil. Shiba. I'm never selling. He's never selling, boys. Newbies after not selling during the dip. Wow. Didn't sell during the dip. How strong pups were all the big dogs soon enough. Yeah, if Shiba goes to... Yeah, I don't believe we'll get to a cent this year. Like, you should, and even if it gets to a cent, like, be real. We'll need to take profits a few times. What chart are you using? I can't tell on my phone. Sorry, Robert. I'm actually using TradingView. I've been a fan I'm not using the pro version this month, but normally you can get, I think, a trial if you want to use it. Something cool is that you can actually use Bybit and multi-chart there for free. Let me just show you. And I'm partnered up with Bybit, full disclosure here, but you don't have to deposit money, so don't worry. But if you want to support the channel, definitely check it in, because they're asking me, why are you not having new signups today? Let me just show you Bybit. For example, for what? For Doge? For Doge. I'll show you the Doge the Doge chart right here on the stream. Can you see it? So you can just use that. I believe you could just add in, you could multi-chart here and basically use all the pro features, but for free. Where is it? Oh, here it is. So you can basically have 4 charts. And for that, you gotta pay like $30 a month or something on TradingView. But look at that. You can just use Bybit for free and have it, right? And then again, if you just want to deposit $100 using my link, there's a bonus that is just for my subscribers, because I was like, look, May, my contact on Bybit is May. Look, May, my subscribers need to be able to deposit a small amount and get a bonus. We are at what? Pandemic, political changes, the rise of new markets, the changes. Yep, Shiba's loud, but will we stand the test of time? Yes, at least we gotta stand up for this week. Let's look at more memes. Standing on foot is a sure way to be poor. Absolutely. Ship holder, panic seller. This is what you panic sellers look like. Don't be a panic seller. Don't be like this, dude. Be like this one. No financial advice. Shib and Doge. Exactly. Couldn't help myself. Pac-Man. Got my tokens today. Oh, that's really cool. Folding. Oops. Moon. Shiba Inu to the moon. That was 55 minutes ago. Yeah, this is when we just hit 7. When we got this. But after that, we're having a small correction. So yeah, Shiba to the moon. A lot of token went out into the world, and if one guy bought 14 bill tokens, suddenly the share increases to 1 cent. Do you think they would give you 140 billion? What do you mean they would give you? The market would give it. It would be hard to sell 140 billion worth of Shiba Inu, to be honest. You would have to sell it in portions. And you have to test liquidity. You would have to trade during high volume times. Shiba Inu to the moon. I agree with you, Elias. 100% agree with you. I think that's enough cider for me, because I'll be trading today, even though it's low alcohol. We're getting so many 62 viewers right now. We're slowly going down. Shiba Inu is pumping glitch, which is now worth 7,000 in Shiba. Yeah, it is. I think they had some updates planned. We're at brick and 5 natural revolution and changes fiat to crypto. The war between dollar and crypto, it's gonna take time. There will be crashes. Yes, and you know, crypto is always better than fiat, because I mean, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? You know how much fiat is being created? It's so bad. Do you know the memes? The fiat memes? Let me show you how bad the situation with fiat is. Yeah. Do you guys know where I can find the information? How much fiat was created? The dollars, at least. By the way, the high we had was 90 viewers, which is insane, guys. This is insane. Oh, I forgot to tell you some news. I thought that I would make a whole video on it. Maybe I will later on today. But I can go over some news on bitcoin.com that I've opened up and I forgot to check. Coinbase approved to enter Japanese cryptocurrency market, which is huge. That's actually huge for the stock itself. By the way, how did this Coinbase stock perform after this announcement? Coinbase. If we just check the Coinbase global Nasdaq, yep, this is how it performed. First, because recovery, and then we have this news 3 hours ago, and now we're getting a very healthy market open. This was the market open here. Market open, we just went up very healthy, 2 or 3% or something so far. Yeah, 2%. On market open. I really like the ticker. It's coin. To the moon, baby. Yep, dips, I agree. We're going to the moon. What else do we have? Yeah, so this is massive news. I should make a whole video on it on its own, but yeah, Coinbase approved to enter Japanese cryptocurrency market. Coinbase is now registered as a cryptocurrency exchange to operate in Japan. So that's really good. New money coming in from Japan. This is one of the news I wanted to cover. New Bank of America reports that digital currencies could boost economic growth in developing countries. It could, but why? A new Bank of America research, blah, blah, blah. Let's go to the actual facts. Easier access to alternative digital currency is also likely to increase the volatility of domestic money supply in the exchange rate. Easier access to alternatives also raise the risk of rapid shifts of liquidity. Yeah, I don't think the new people should be exposed to altcoins. I think if you're new to crypto, you should stick to Bitcoin because Bitcoin is volatile enough. And then when you have the gist of it, you can go in, you can branch into other cryptocurrencies. And the reason is we don't want new money coming in, getting burned, and then going out of crypto. Why isn't there a coin yet called To the Moon? I would buy that one. Yeah. Well, I guess SafeMoon had this ability. You know, this celebrity that said he'll buy SafeMoon because he wants to safely go to the moon. What else do we have? How long is the live stream going for, guys? 55 minutes. Yep, we'll do an hour. I think I could do more live streams than I think. Maybe we can do 4 or 5 a day. Maybe each video can be a live stream. What do you guys think? Yeah, SafeMoon. And SafeMoon, yesterday we said SafeMoon was at a good price. You would have made 50% if you did invest in it. I couldn't invest in it because I was saving everything into Shiba, and I couldn't move money USDT quick enough to get IO. But yeah, I gotta be honest, and that was a mistake because he was at a really good entry. But I'm just really passionate about Shiba right now because I think we can 2 or 3x based on the Coinbase news. So it's going to be very, very interesting. Boost economic growth in developing countries. I don't know if it will. I hope it does. Thanks. I will look into that one a little bit. Yep. Yeah, simply, SafeMoon had a few, just so you understand how SafeMoon works. SafeMoon had a lot of ups and downs, as you can see. But it's definitely selling at a discount right now. Yesterday it was selling at a massive discount. Like people were all over it in the chat. Where should we buy SafeMoon? Yeah, and it was a support level, support here, and it just rebounded for me. It was a free 50%. Like in my opinion, you always have to have some tether. Okay, tether might be a little bit dangerous because it's connected to Binance, right? There's the whole conspiracy around it, but I think that you should always have some tether, and if you have some tether, you gotta wait for dips. If you want to make money in crypto, you want to buy the dips, and I'll tell you why. There was this DOGECOIN. Look, this meme sums it up. So, and this was 6 hours ago. DOGECOIN was 22 cents. I don't know what it is at right now. What a funny ride. People who bought Doge at 0.002 cents, people who bought Doge at 40 cents, right? If you bought Doge at 40 cents, it was still at a discount, right? It wasn't at 70 cents. You didn't buy at the all-time high, right? And it hovered around the 50-cent mark for a few days after the SNL. But if you bought Doge at 0.002 in December last year, because that's what I believe it was at last year, well, you're all good now, right? You're not worried at all. So it all comes down to timing when it comes to cryptocurrency. If you buy the dips, you're all good because you're already buying at a discount, and you can just sell when it rises and just buy the dip again. Why not? If you just if you get, and how would you trade it? You might be wondering, well, how do I know when is the right time to buy? With RSI wise, right? If you're just new to crypto, what I would, this is just my opinion, no financial advice, but let me just show you this, right? I'll just go to a random time in history just to show you something. So let's go a little bit below. I'm not watching. Okay, let's see here. This is a dip, right? To 33 RSI. I want to buy here. Let's just show you a backtesting strategy. I wouldn't buy here. This is a place to sell, by the way, because high RSI, and here as well. And as you can see, after high RSI above 70, you should have an alarm. It can dip. And actually, what you might not know is you can set up alarms on RSI levels. And this is what I regularly do. You don't have to set it for prices. So let's say I would buy BTC. Okay, this is a support level, but I wouldn't buy here. 26. Okay, so I would buy here. BTC, just an example. I don't know what happened after that. I'm not thinking about dates. I'm not thinking about anything. I'll just show you how I would trade it. I'll put the stop loss here. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm totally wrong. But I'll put the stop loss here. Take profit here. Or RSI above 67 alert. And look, RSI above 67, I would have sold here. And I would have made, you know, 2-to-1 risk or something, right? And this is easy money, the RSI strategy. I don't have to save you a course to tell you that. It's my favorite strategy, especially if you're starting out. And you don't have to do it on the 50-minute chart. You can do it on the daily chart or something, right? Can't find you on Twitter. My Twitter, I'm not very active on Twitter. My Twitter is Dr. Niki YouTube, YT. I joined in 2014. Did you guys watch some of my 2014 videos? They're very embarrassing, by the way. Let me see if I have any of them out. I was doing Clash of Clans videos. To the moon, safemoon, check it out. It's like it wasn't obvious yet, but I'm crypto newbie. Don't worry, simply. We're all newbies. We're all learning from each other. If we actually go to all these videos on my channel, let's check this out. Look at that. That was a video 5 years ago. I had a nice BMW because I have an e-commerce business, if you don't know. So don't worry. It's not that easy money or something.
Hello guys, don't want to be having
I was playing
here. So what I'm
Clash of Clans.
doing right now is while I'm driving my car, I'm going to be playing Clash of Clans.
Look at the video quality. It's so bad.
I'm back.
But I definitely need to lose. Wait.
Look, guys,
Look at the video quality. Look at my forehead. Oh, you can't because of my camera. Let me just move this. Okay, so I need to do this so you can see my head. It's really bad, right? My quality, my video, this was my video quality, and I tried to get it to. Before, you needed 10 minutes to have more ads. And my iPad, I didn't have an iPad. I used the Tab S, which was really good. I just didn't like iPhone. I had this. I was vlogging in 2017. I privated a lot of videos, but this was my business partner at the time. Like, I'm getting you back to. Taking you back on a trip to memory lane. I had a COS back then. That was 4 years ago. This was my car, the COS. Look, I should lose some weight, right? This is 5 kilograms ago. So yeah, don't want to bore you. I was getting new offices there. This is a trip in the car. This is in the office space. But yeah, so I'm doing YouTube for a while. And it took a while to actually start getting a serious amount of views. I was very committed. I did on some days I would do like 70 videos on how to use because I was very committed to doing YouTube. So if you, by the way, if you guys want to start a YouTube channel, side note, because I think it's a good investment with your time, don't just quit. It takes years, but it definitely is better than college. Okay, let's talk about a little bit more about crypto, and then I think we'll stop because I'm a little bit tired. Nicolas Maduro states Venezuela pioneer crypto adoption in South America as petro use founders. Anything Venezuela related, I wouldn't trust it. I wouldn't trust Venezuela with a bag of chips. Let's put it that way. President Nicolas Maduro stated that Venezuela was a pioneer in cryptocurrency adoption. You're a pioneer in slavery. That's what you're a pioneer of, low-wage slavery. Venezuelan President Maduro reaffirmed the pioneer action that Venezuela had on crypto adoption in Latam. The statements were given during an interview offered to Bloomberg, where he also referred to geopolitics and sanctions-related topics. Maduro was quick to ascertain that the country was one of the first to give cryptocurrency to is this a race? Who's first? Because you're last, guys. Venezuela is definitely not a place I want to live in. Okay, guys, I hope this stream was helpful. It was a pleasure losing money with you yesterday, making some money with you today. It was fun. I have a Binance notification. Yeah. So have fun. I'm here to serve you with uploading as many videos as you can. I'll try to do these live streams on a daily basis, maybe even 2 times a day. Why not? If you can get some viewers during non-US time zones, because for me it's 5:25 p.m. I try to not record after 7. I think we'll record a video at 8 p.m. I already have a video that I've created. I will upload